Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best drum kits in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So let's get started. The ultimate in tone and value for more than 30 years. This Stage Custom Birch series will be an excellent addition for beginners and working professionals. It will give any drummer the value, quality, and look they need to continue improving their skills. It comes in 5 integral pieces, including a bass drum, snare drum, and toms in the following sizes: 10x7, 12x8, and 16x15. The set produces a range of warm tones, and setting up this kit is also made easy with the included stoppers. While the claw hooks that come included work nicely to reduce noises, it comes in a fantastic value, especially for its low price. And utilizing Yamaha's air seal system for drum shell construction ensures each and every Yamaha drum shell is of uniform thickness and is perfectly round to achieve superior tone quality and durability. Mendini 16-inch is a perfect choice if you consider one that has the basics necessary for your child to become interested in drumming. It is an excellent option for kids 2.5 to 5 feet tall, and are also available in several attractive colors to keep the child entertained. Featuring 3 drums and a cymbal, your child will look forward to drum sessions on this model. And as a 16-inch bass drum, it houses 6 lugs on each side of the head to keep the drum stable, while its hanging tom and snare each have 5 lugs on the sides of their heads. Other necessary parts include a bass drum pedal, cymbal holder, snare drum stand, drum throne, an assembly manual, and 2 drumsticks. It doesn't have any floor drum or hi-hat, but your kid will enjoy spending time on it regardless. And in addition to these features, it also adds a pair of wooden drumsticks so the playing can start right after setup, while its inclusion of a round padded drum throne provides for adjustable height. Eastar is a brand known for high-quality drum sets, and this 14-inch 3-piece set is no exception. It is perfect for kids as beginners in learning and practicing drums, and as to sound, the cymbal is excellent, so it also is the tom and bass. Its tom-toms are held in place by threads on both ends of the rods, allowing the little drummer to easily change the tilt and height of the tom-toms. And when it comes to legs, the structure of the legs can lift the bass drum at an angle so that the drum is facing upward, allowing the sound to pass through better. Its triangle is fixed. The snare drum doesn't shift dramatically when played. It is made of wood with plastic heads and metal hardware, and all the metal parts pass through a high level of electroplating, ensuring the appearance is not treated lightly. Concerning the drum set specifications in inches, there is a 14x10 bass drum, a 10x5 snare with a loud sound, and an 8x6 tom. And in addition to that, there are 2 pairs of drumsticks included, one for the kid and another for the teaching adult. If you are looking for a high-quality drum set and at an affordable price, then this Music Alley's Junior Drum Kit is for you. It is specially designed for kids aged 3 to 9 years, providing everything they need to get into drumming. And coming in a great style, this drum kit is suitable for beginners and experienced drummers. It is not a plastic toddler drum set instead. It comes constructed from wood and metal, ensuring durability and long-lasting. And featuring real wooden shells in a stunning metallic finish, offers for an authentic drumming experience, complete with tunable skins. In the package, Music Alley provides you with a pair of drumsticks and a padded stool to make sure that your child will have a very comfortable drum playing experience. And when it comes to setting up the drum kit, it is easy as it can get, and are also very lightweight, as you can dismantle them and take it anywhere you want. This Vangoa is a junior drum set that adopts a versatile poplar wood 6-layer drum cavity, making the sound more powerful and richer. Utilizing a 3-layer electroplating process, wear-resistant stainless steel material, and mirror effect appearance make its artistic sense is stronger. and its inclusion of a porcelain white drum skin with better resonance provides for a balanced and warm sound of the drum. Its electroplating drum ears, made of metal plating material, offer more shininess and round. And in the package, you will get a 16-inch bass drum, floor tom, 2 mounted toms, snare, 8-inch hi-hat cymbals, 10-inch crash/ride cymbal, and drum with maple drumsticks, adjustable throne, cymbal, and pedal. It also adds 2 humanized drum keys of different shapes, making assembly more convenient. While with the user manual's installation steps, you can easily own your drums. Lastly, we have the PDP by DW. This PDP concept maple is one of the most affordable drum sets in the market today. By design, its finishes are well made and the edges are thick and resistant, offering an impression that will last forever. Its all shells are 7-ply except for the snare, which is 10-ply, and the concept drums are constructed with DW's true pitch tension rods, graduated counter hoop thickness, durable and eye-catching finishes, their retro-inspired, dual turret lugs, and world-renowned Remo drum heads. Its racks toms utilize DW's advanced suspension tom mounts, while the floor toms stand on strong, lightweight aluminum floor tom legs. And when it comes to 10-ply concept snares, it includes the trusted MAG throw-off, along with fully chromed snare wires featuring carbon steel coils and brass end plates. When the 7-ply concept bass drums come built with die-cast, low-mass claw hooks. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.